Hey internet, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Kawaii Box unboxing video for you and I'm very excited. I'm hoping there's candy. I don't know why I think there'll be candy. So this month is the August and it is the Kawaii School Essentials. School Essentials. I don't know why. Can't talk. Let's get right into it. Oh, it feels like it's really folded. Masks. Kid size. I was gonna say I need more masks because I've been using these as my masks I wear when I don't have makeup on so that they last a little bit longer, because often I will still have some sort of makeup on. You know, I know these are kid sizes, but I think these are going to fit me okay. I don't know if that just means because I have a small face, but let me get the regular size. So this is the other size. Yeah, okay. It's like a little shorter. It's like an inch shorter, like 2-3 centimeters. So, and the width is about the same. So I reckon this will be fine because these ones cover literally the entire bottom half of my face. So these will be fine. I'm so glad I had them because that was the last pack I had. And I've been using them quite often, obviously, because right now in Melbourne or Victoria, it's masks everywhere. So those are very useful. Glad to have them. This looks like it might be candy of some sort. It's almost like cereal. They recommend eating it with a bowl of milk, so like mini cereal snack. And then we have some paper clips. This is really cute. I mean, they're just pink paper clips, but the pouch in this side makes them look very cool. What is this? Oh, it's kind of like a container. Multi-purpose, you can store little things in here. That's cute, to be honest. I mean, I get a lot of this is like back to school, but this is actually quite functional. You can hang this from a purse or a bag. I'm just like thinking out loud what I would use it for. And I could see myself storing little knickknacks in here. So didn't think I would find many useful things in this box, but actually finding this quite useful. We have a notebook, a dot grid notebook here. Again, it's like a decent size. I could actually use this. I don't know why I'm so surprised. I just didn't expect to be able to find things I could use. This looks like a pencil case. Yeah, My Melody pencil case. Let's open this up. Okay, it's supposed to, I'll zoom out a little bit, but it's supposed to mimic like a popsicle. So this is like the stick, I guess, and this is the ice cream. But I honestly thought this was more like a tag because it's quite short. And, oh, it's a really different type of pencil case. Like, you could hold it, well, I don't think you could sit it up this way, but I guess you could lie down and access pens like this rather than having it all around, like typically just at the top on the longest portion. I really like this. I'm surprised. I feel like this is not something I would like because it's so glittery, but I don't have any pencil cases that kind of open in this way. So I kind of want to test it for a bit and see if it's actually more functional. We have plain eraser. And then this is Rilakuma. It's a pen, which I will test out. And then we have some stickers. I'm not familiar. If this is a series, I'm not familiar. So these aren't completely flat. They're a little bit lifted, but not really that lifted. Okay, let's go test out this pen. It looks like a typical black gel pen, which this writes really nice, very smooth, and it feels so comfortable. I wonder if it's like with a specific brand, but like when I say brand, I mean stationery brand, but it looks like it's just a Sanex pen. I really, really like this pen. This is actually kind of like that, a few unboxings ago, I unboxed this pen, which I didn't think I would like. It's got the cloud tip on it. It looks totally gimmicky, but it's something I've been using for a lot of my journals recently because it's quite comfortable. It's lightweight. I really like using this. It's unexpected. So yeah, that is everything in the Kawaii August box. I'm so torn because I actually really love this box. Yeah, I'm not sure. I think my subscription ends this month or next month, something like that, and I've been toying whether I should renew it or not because you have some months when it's just candy and a bunch of stuff that I would never use, and then you have months like this. So I don't know, I'll have a think about it, but anyways, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.